Gaming here, and today we are going to be, well, I am showing a big secret that I've been trying to keep very hush-hush, but it's appeared in a couple of my videos by chance. Anyways, I'd like you to meet, if I can get you to meet, one sec, I'm gonna go get her. I'd like you to meet Abby. Hi, girl. Or Abby's tongue. She's been outside playing for a while with her toys. So she's a dog, a Catahoula leopard dog. No one's heard of that before, which is kind of weird. She's very nice. She's very sweet. Occasionally she has pulled off her doggy door accidentally. No, not accidentally. She just has separation anxiety. So anyways, she's one. We've had her for a couple months. I just haven't gotten around about a month to taking a video, and Anakin's gonna join us with his new thing right there.
It's a journal.
With his new thing right there. And then he's just playing with a little toy right here. Hi, Abby. Hi, Abby. Abby, can you
She loves to get her tummy scratched.
As you can see.
One of the strangest things I've ever seen a dog do.
She's really cute, and she's big for her age.
Wait, show them how fast she can run. Abby, look! You want it?
Okay.
Abby! Go get it!
Okay, watch this.
Okay, she didn't sit. Alright, come on, Jake. Abby, come here.
Come on, Abby.
Where are you going?
She's going over here. She's really fast if you can get her to run. Go!
Go get it!
There. Got her to run.
So fast she was too fast for her toy.
See?
Charge!
Really, really fast.
Alright, one more thing.
She's still over there.
Abby, come here. Here, let me see the toy. Let me see.
Anyways, she has her little toy here. Right here. Let's see if we can get her toy. Abby! Abby!
Watch this, guys. Hey, Abby.
Wait.
Go get it.
Yeah! Nice, Abby. Then let's give her little toy and see how happy she gets. Abby! Abby, do you want this? Go get it! Which one do you want more? Here. Look.
I think it still has the peanut butter taste on it.
Look. You want this toy? She likes that toy.
Abby. Go get it.
No?
Here. Abby, look. Here. Abby. Abby. Go get it. She's not dead. She's paralyzed through the camera down so you can see her. I need to write in my journal. I've written it all today.
You just got it.
So it's almost dinner time.
No, it's not. She's really cute, and she loves to have her tiny scratch. Doesn't she? Yeah. Yeah, good girl. She also likes to lick my face. Abby. Abby. Good girl. Anyways, next. Just a sec. Anyways, next I'll show some cute clips of Abby, the Catahoula leopard dog, or just the dog. Abby, say bye-bye. Couldn't get any cute clips out of her, literally. So, anyways, guys, that's gonna end the video. That's my dog, Abby. You'll probably see her in some videos, like vlogs, when she just walks up. But anyways, bye, guys.